Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Hungrypanda food delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Hungrypanda is a food delivery app created specifically for the global Chinese community. It allows users to order authentic Asian cuisine, groceries, and drinks from nearby restaurants and supermarkets. The app operates in multiple international cities, making it easier for Chinese-speaking users living abroad to enjoy familiar meals from home. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports payment methods like Alipay and WeChat Pay for added convenience. The app's main feature is its localized experience. Everything from the interface language to restaurant listings and menus is tailored for Chinese users abroad. You can browse a variety of authentic Asian dishes, schedule deliveries, track your order in real time, and even access special deals and discounts. Hungrypanda also offers pickup options for those who prefer collecting their orders in person. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its easy navigation, smooth payment options, and authentic selection of Chinese and Asian foods. It's especially praised by international students and expats for helping them find local restaurants that serve traditional cuisine. The delivery service is generally reliable, and customer support is responsive in multiple languages. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported delivery delays during peak hours, limited restaurant availability in smaller cities, and occasional language translation issues when viewing certain menus. Additionally, while the app is great for the Chinese community, it may not offer as much variety for those looking for non-Asian cuisine. In summary, the Hungrypanda app may be worth using if you're living abroad and want an easy, reliable way to order authentic Chinese or Asian food. It's especially useful for those comfortable using Alipay or WeChat Pay and looking for a culturally familiar experience. However, if you prefer broader international restaurant options, other delivery apps may better suit your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.